Future.
Continuous improvement.
Strength.
Team spirit.
People. People.
We want to empower our people.
Let's explore our leadership values.
We transform, we empower,
We create trust.
So for me, one of the most important leadership values, and for me it's priority one, is empowerment. When we talk about empowerment, instead of only working on improvements within a leadership team, just imagine all the people would be improvers. So instead of having 20 people improving, see 500 people, 500 colleagues are working every day on improvement. Wouldn't be that a big challenge and a big opportunity for us?
The leadership values are good to be defined as a guiding stars, but behind every value we should have a clear picture and what are the starting points.
All these three leadership values are really linked and go with each other.
I've been to many MTU sites all over the world, in Germany, in Poland, in Canada, in Amsterdam. And this is the first time I visit the site that has just been built from scratch. So a completely new factory, new teams, new team leaders, new managers. And this is really a great energy and a great chance to support this ongoing process with leadership values from the beginning on. So a great leadership team, a great motivation. And I have the impression that they will be really successful in creating growth for the site here in Belgrade.
we learn,
We share.
we give each other a hand, we act,
We have fun.
we appreciate.
All together we will make it.